Hi guys, today we are going to do a quick camera review of the Huawei Nova 2i. So here is the device, looking very beautiful with its 18:9 display. This phone is famous for its 4 cameras. The design of this phone is too premium. You can also check our hands-on video of this device in our channel. So we will start with some portrait samples, then daylight samples, then some indoor samples and then some night samples. But before starting looking samples, let us know its camera specification. So this device has 16 megapixel plus 2 megapixel camera with the f/2.0 aperture. The added 2 megapixel lens is only used to capture the shallow depth of the image. So this phone is capable to take some amazing pictures, as it have dual cameras. This device has also different modes. Available modes include wide aperture, portrait, pro mode, light painting, and slow motion. Mode selection. In addition to the main page with wide aperture and portrait, the screen is scrolled to the right to select other modes. So let's start looking samples. So first, let's take a look at some portrait samples. Here are some portrait samples. So the bokeh effect is looking very amazing by looking at the samples. The sharpness of the picture is well maintained. Sample photos from portrait mode. This is still impressive as well, because the face is clear after blurred with the level of facial smoothness. It's beauty face, but unfortunately, we cannot adjust the distance or focus on wide aperture. All over, detailing of the picture is very good of portrait mode. Moving to the daylight samples, sample photos from auto mode is equally good. If you do not focus on anything, want higher image resolution? Focus on the lift. Well done to me. Focus is quite good. The color tone and resolution is beautiful. Huawei is a lot of water around. This has a watermark for us to choose. Although not like a dual camera, but the word Huawei Nova 2i dual camera came up with the same. But really the color saturation is very nice, and the picture depth of field is excellent, thanks to the 2 megapixel secondary camera with f/2.0 aperture. This device successfully passed the daylight test. Taking a look at indoor samples, while in indoor samples, the picture sharpness is very good, while detailing is also fabulous. While clicking the shots, I noticed the shutter speed is really fast with excellent fast focusing on the object. Brightness is also balanced. So again, good performance by this device. Taking a look at indoor. Finally, taking a look at the night samples, taken in auto mode, the picture quality is amazing. The color resolution is excellent, and the picture is brighter. Meanwhile, sharpness is looking low in night samples. What's your opinion? And also the detailing is not much good, but it is fine. Color tone of the picture is looking very beautiful. So all over, night samples are also good, but in terms of sharpness, they need some work. What's your opinion about this device camera? Let me know in comments sections. Finally, by looking at the samples, I conclude that this device camera is fabulous. You can go for this device if you are a camera lover. Thanks for watching our video. Hope you like this. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button.